Hello dear friends, I'm Raza Purian, and together we're going to start the course on the principles and methods of extraction and making organic tinctures. Well, first of all, we need to know what an extract is. An extract refers to the active substances of plants that are obtained from plants using solvent mechanisms. What does this mean? For example, imagine we have 10 grams of dried leaves of a plant and we soak them in 50 grams of a solvent, which in this case is water, and let them sit for a long time. The substances that are released from the dried plant and dissolve in the solvent are called the extract, and the process we just did is called extraction. Extract is one of the forms of medicine that can be used orally or topically. It can be used as a medicine itself, or it can be considered as a component of a medicine. That's why there are various medicines on the market that are made from plant extracts. One of them is the curcumax supplement, which is made from the dried extract of turmeric or curcuma, and it has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It's used for joint pain and to reduce arthritis pain. Extracts are produced in several forms. There are solid extracts, aqueous extracts, and soft or semi-solid extracts. Aqueous extracts are liquid products that, as we explained before, are produced in a similar way. That is, you soak the plant for a relatively long time in a solvent, and then you filter it. The liquid part that is separated in this way is called an aqueous extract. Dry extracts refer to extracts from plants that are obtained by concentrating and drying liquid extracts. What does that mean? It means that when liquid extracts are produced, we use a rotary evaporator device to evaporate the solvent, and then we separate the solid part that remains at the bottom of the flask. This device works by pouring the liquid extract into a flask and placing it in the machine. The flask starts to rotate, and with the heat provided from the water bath below, within 1 to 2 hours, we evaporate all the solvent. These extracts are used to make capsules and tablets. These extracts, which are soft and sticky, are actually the semi-solid products and include both dry and liquid extracts produced through partial evaporation. That is, we completely evaporate the solvent. In terms of appearance, it closely resembles honey and is mostly used in creams and ointments. Chemically, these are called soft and sticky extracts, and their remaining dry matter should not be less than 7% by weight. We won't go into the details of its preparation here, because making soft extracts requires advanced equipment and is generally done in laboratories and factories.